Daddy, that party I lame. None of my friends in the day, no bunks, nothing.
Jackson, me tell you, say, we can't have no bunks around cause rain a fall. But you can't understand that, eh?
Alright.
How kind of party did you come keep for my son? No look excitement, nothing. This is all you could afford. My man would have keep a better party than this. You're so workless, Anthony. All the money they will you flash around.
Oh man. Rain a fall, what the freak you want me to do? Eh? Stop the rain from falling?
Hey, could go for an indoor playground, something there. Nothing at all. Just a boring party, yeah. And this little wife remember for him 10th birthday. You should do better than this. Alright, later.
Look why fix your face, man. Some people would have love them type of party, you know.
A party with no friend, nothing. Who would I want this type of party, Daddy? Tell me no.
Them foolish say I tell look boy. Say other people would I want this type of party. You just walk this and stay away, Anthony. You for shame of yourself. Them go stupid party you keep for look
Yeah, alright. I've been acting away from my dear, so I wonder if everything okay. I mean, besides all of the yelling and thing, we're up with you.
Yo, man just tired. Nobody not appreciate nothing what man do round ya. All the excitement she a create. She was hype and thing from she start date that big drug dealer boy there.
Oh, you can't make that body, Anthony. If you just try be look happy, you know. Just avoid that confrontation.
Hey, yeah, chat about my man. But my man a drug dealer. If you be like my man, they could have some money in your put on keep on better party for the little boy. But my man a drug dealer. You don't know nothing what my man do. You bright out of all and stink like.
So if your man so great, why not make him keep the party? Why you come bother me for? You really get on my nerves, so I know. Pay food she say I was a gone with.
Who I'm father? You are my man. If you're lucky to me even make him come round you.
Come round? Look why practically live with me when I last time there yard.
No worry, after this you might come live back with me. You're alright, you know, Anthony. I do a complain about you pick me them. As me see with you, but I'm not a girl you ever have.
Alright Jackson, come blow out the candles. Come now everybody. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Jackson. Happy birthday to you. Idiot girl, wake up.
What time is it?
Time for you to go up on the road. Where they in your sleep for? You know, say I work tonight. Go and go fix up yourself and meet up with the girl them. And this time, I fuck around like how you do the last time, you hear? Stop playing with man blood clot money.
So I saw you smoke on your baby father. How's the little girl? She alright. Been hear you talk about her that much like before. Baby father. Them killer could eat that boy a couple months ago. Fuck him. Eh? So what about the little girl? Who I keep her for you? Cause you have her out here every night. What you ask me so much question for? And why you business so much about my daughter? It's none of your concern, alright? Stop asking about my family. My daughter, alright. Stop coming out fast on my business. You get on my nerves.
I would like a special for tonight. I want the both of honor one time. How that sound?
For a special with both of us, that's gonna cost you double the normal price. And you have to pay up front, or we'll have to call the boss on you.
Daddy, this tastes really nice. Good job.
Yeah, man, Anthony, this tastes. Yep, good. So the argument for no Aliyah, eh?
Why are you going on the road now for?
Man have things for you, me never tell it already. Always a question me, man, to know.
I have to question you because from what day you're moving so distant. You know what, Anthony? Do what you want to do. Me not about you about nothing, alright? Anthony, what you do ya? On Jackson's birthday today.
Well, me just come if come check by you one day and see if you alright. And the party done already. Jackson Vex kind of the way they want the party to keep.
You know, see that girl Octavia? I know she not call me, make me know she there. About weeks now, me not hear from her. She not even check up on the baby. Like this, I get ridiculous now. Really, really ridiculous.
That me do want to talk to you about too. Me not hear from her neither.
Really tired of Octavia, Anthony. Me not lie. She just walkless.
Don't worry. I mean, when you hear from her, none talk. What if something happen to her? How we gonna know? How we get in contact with her?
Contact. I leave my car down.
I understand your frustration, but shouldn't we try if reach her somehow? Kinda get worried, you know.
And me alone for worry. Come if I take care of Pitney all by myself. Make it too old for this now, Anthony. I take care of baby. I'm supposed to relax and I live my life.
Hello? Yeah, man. May I forward come now?
Leroy, I promise. Me never go nowhere after. Alright?
Make sure, you know. Come on, you ready. Make you say go on the boy there again. Kill me, I go kill him Ross. And I go kill your mama too. You understand what I said to you, Octavia? I'm gonna call your phone and I'll reach you again. Crystal, sorry for bothering you, but me don't want if you know about Octavia there. When you hear from her now, I will get worried.
No, me and her don't talk for a long time, you know. I don't know where she is.
She didn't move up on her own. She not tell you which part she live now because no we don't know.
Well, last time my friend named Sierra, she was with some Rasta boy, a brown Rasta boy. I think him named Leroy.
Alright. Say a word. Thanks. Thanks for letting me know. Later. Aaliyah, warm to you. Why you ring off my phone for? Me dey on the road.
You're still on the road? You said you were gonna come home now. Why are you taking so long? Hurry up now.
Yo, woman. I warm to you. I'm busy, you know. You can't keep on a call man phone all the time. But say me dey on the road I do something. Why is that so hard for you to understand? Why you always have to make everything a problem? Eh? You say you wanna bother me no more, and you still a do it. Why you so insecure?
Anthony? Bombo clatty man.
Alright, Auntie, me go easy pie ya. There. Shireen, you really make sure you can't play the game, yeah? She bad bunny, you know? All our father she beat.
I was just bored.
There you go, beat your auntie. Anyway, I forgot work later.
Come on, Amai. Go easy now. Sure. Sean, you alright? How's everything?
In the neighborhood, figure me I come check you.
So how's everything? How's Sherry? How's life treating you? You look good.
Mommy, why you still there? Why you not go home? Rick and the boy them need you, you know?
I need a little break. Plus, I'm feeling a little better now than before. I'll soon go home. Don't worry about me, Sean.
Mommy, me just know how you still not cry over daddy, alright? Him dead and gone, it over with.
I understand that, but everybody didn't realize something. I was with your father for a long time. It's not easy as it seems.
Like him was a good person, mommy.
I understand that, but the way my family was, any little comfort was nice. You're not gonna understand.
I have good memory about him too. But him wasn't a good father. He was a drunker.
I know, but I'm getting over it now, Sean. You don't have to worry anymore. I'll be home soon.
Mommy, you sure Ricky not gonna want you home? You think him not look by your way with all of this?
I know I screw up big time, Sean, but I don't know. I just need time to figure myself out, and I hope Rick will understand. I don't mean anything bad by him or the twin them. I need a little break for think. But now that I'm there now, I'ma talk to Debbie and think. I'ma start realize that what mother was wrong. I hope Rick, I hope him really understand how I feel.
Just try to figure out what you do, alright, mommy? Stop ruining your life. Especially over daddy. You're not worth it.
Sean, wait, then I talk to you.
Alright.
I went to the clinic the other day. I'm a fan of some may I breed.
What you just say a while ago?
May I breed? I hear a baby.
What? What you mean say I'm my baby? A joke thing you make, right? My
Why would I joke about this, Sean? It's your baby. Aren't you happy?
Yo, easy advice, no man. And I see them sitting there out loud.
I don't understand why you're acting like this. I thought you would be happy. Your first baby.
Sean, what you just said?
Sherry? Sherry, I never know say all this thing.
Sean, how can you do this to me? I knew something was going on between you and I. Sean, oh, you get so wicked. Oh, you even do this to me?
Sherry. Sherry, a lie she tell upon me and my pitney. A lie she tell.
Good reading, son. You've started that idiot girl. She's so slow.
Shanae, go on the house, alright? I don't want you to deal with me no more. Sherry, where you do, man? Where you pack your bag them for?
My mother warned me. She warned me not to deal with Ono, and I didn't listen to her. And look what you do now.
A mistake, Sherry. I never mean to do it.
A mistake? How stupid do you think I am? You think I didn't know you was going over there? Do you think I'm blind? Do you think I'm dumb?
Sherry, I promise you, I'm never gonna do it again.
You're never gonna do it again. Did you forget that she said she's pregnant?
Yo, that can be anybody pitney. Enough for my pitney, that.
Oh, that's what you're gonna say. It's not your pity. You must think I'm a real idiot. Well, look, now you have two baby mother, cause I'm pregnant too. I can't believe you do this. It's so wicked, Sean. Oh, it's wicked. You're no different from your father. You're exactly like him. When I found out I was pregnant, I was so happy. And you breed somebody else. How could you do this?
Sherry, you know me don't care about that girlie. You know me. Are you my love?
I can't do this, Sean. I can't live my life like this. I'm not going to do it. I'm gonna go back and live with my mother. I don't want to live with you no more. I should have never put my trust in you, Sean. I should have never believed you. I should have known you was a liar, just like him.
Sherry, please don't leave me, please, me, I beg you. I beg you, Sherry, don't leave me, please.
God, I hope this woman never find it, you know. No, in here, I put it. Right in a dryer, I put it. Alright, sit here. So, you're missing for months? And you just come sneak up in the house, so you're not even tell me say you're there. So, you just gotta look at me and I say a word, nothing to me, Octavia. How you feeling there yourself? You run well if your daughter with me, not even a word. You not send no money, nothing. How you live so? How you turn so bad? After everything I do for you, I say you gonna treat me? Treat your own daughter? Octavia, may I talk to you, little girl? If you want to live careless, if you want to live some careless and dirty life, you can go and live it. But you can't expect me. I gotta take care of your pitney by myself with no help. You must be mad, little girl. A couple weeks from now, I'm gonna send you some money through Western Union. What? Send money through Western Union? So you not come take your daughter? Mommy, listen. You know, I understand my situation, you know. But I'm not gonna try to explain it to you. Because I don't even care. I'm gonna send some money through Western Union, alright? That's all you need to know. Don't ask me nothing else. Oh, you're so wicked. So you gotta leave the little girl with me. You not take her or nothing. And that's some grow, you know. Me no grow for stay so. And just dash away all of your problems them and think on me one. Me one for deal with all of this Octavia. You think sending money alone can raise a child? Me know sending money alone can raise a child, mommy. But you for know the way you deal with me over the years them, and you still not act like you're so godly and you're saint. But even I waste my time even talk to you. After everything I've been through from a little girl, you look at me even still deal with you. Me I go send the money, alright? Stop asking me questions. Later.
Andy, do me a favor. You can clean them clothes here for me. Walk up on the road. And don't tell nobody which part me I'm going now. Alright? Come on, man. Yo, I got stuff to do and I gotta go on the road. I'm gonna put more mouth. You just do that one favor here for me, no man. I'm soon forward, but me not take long. Okay, I'll do it, alright? Yes, you know, Miss Parker. Octavia, come here. What she say? How she pass she did? She tell you?
She says, me forgot Western Union go collect money.
That's it. She not tell you which part she a go, where she did, how she been missing for so long.
She tell me to mind my business, so me I mind my business. Me can't bother with her, Anthony. Me not tell a lie. Me sick and tired of her.
You understand what I say? I mean, I worry about her, man. This not like her. I mean, she will even show herself more well, but she just completely vanished, so.
Well, the way she make it seem look like she not come for that pitney, yeah. So look at me, I gotta take care of that pitney for the rest of my life. Boy, me tell you about stress. I have pitney and them have pitney and you have to take care of pitney. Activa just selfish, nothing about nobody but herself. But I fear her problem for a long time. Me spoil her too much. Stop kill out myself about Activa and Anthony. Are you for the same? Just forget about her. Cause she just business about a little girl who she a business about. Cause she push her out and she don't care about.
Can't do that. Can't just forget about her, so. Not tell a lie. That'll be hard. Worry about her every day, man. I must see how far where I come from.
Me understand that in Anthony, but her life. You have to go on about your business more a while. Forget about people, especially when them not business boy you. Think about it like this, me her mother, she not call me. She not ask about her daughter. So who you be then? Who you to her? You know nobody to her? Cause me raise her from she come out of my. You know her. And this little girl don't even look for me. So me give up. If she want to live her life and do what she want to do, I fear her problem that. Me done. Forget about her, Anthony. Active her business boy, yo. She no business boy none of we. Just leave her which part she dey. She go see. Cause who can hear must feel. Hi Eric. I wanted to talk to you about some things.
You know, I've been thinking about you a lot, Shireen, and everything we've been through. And thing. And at first, me dey mad with you. But me won't understand. If you claim say you love me, why you can't get over your ex? understand you, woman. The man treats you so bad, and yet you can't forget about him. What's so special about him, Shireen? What make you can't move on and think about us, think about our family?
I've been with him since I was a teenager.
That's your excuse? Cause we've been together for so long. I had a wife and she died, and yet I moved on. Why you can't do the same and move on too?
Daddy was there throughout so many things in my life. That's why it's so hard to move on. Most people not understand.
Yet, him still treat you away, treat you like shit, and yet, here you are crying over him when him dead and gone. How you expect a man to feel? You think me I feel away so you can't get over one dead man? Me there with you through so many things. If you get my first meet you, what the boy do you? Post up your face. Sherry, looking at yourself, be realistic. Is that somebody worth crying over?
I'm sorry. No move like my nonsense more, Rick, but I really appreciate you. I'm so sorry, Rick. I'm sorry.
All you have to do is just work with me, Sherry. And me and you can get through this together. I can understand some level of pain where you go through, cause of me go through. But you have to stop the foolishness and work with man. Stop ruining what we have. We have two pitney now. Try to understand, say, the past is the past. Forget about it. Move on.
So try your life then, run a little. Tessa get never me in a little. Here's a fast tour. Forget Ushi. In there here. Me and you and the baby can be so happy together.
Yo, man, no are you? We don't understand, say, man, no are you?
Oh, you know what I mean? We all wanna do together. We sleep with you and your father. Is it me not hear about that? Everybody know about it. At that time I can't lay you my wife up. I mean, if you talk to me, Daddy will have no problem to let you know family can really like you. And so we can have this house. Because if Daddy think go through with a foreign girl, he not come back. So we can have this world land to ourselves. That will sound good. Don't worry about nothing. We take care of you, son. We take real good care of you. Come and love you.
No, look who's you there. I warned you about that family, and I told you to stay away from them. But did you listen? You never listen to anything I say, Sherry.
I don't want to talk about it right now, okay?
It's funny you're the one crying. After everything your father put us through and left us with barely nothing. And embarrassing me. All the foolishness. And he's supposed to be a man of God. I should be the one crying right now. And to make things worse, you, my daughter, my only child, run off with a married man. And after you do that, you run off with his son. Now imagine all the embarrassment you put me through. And now you're telling me that you're pregnant for the son All is almost you create. But don't worry, I'll deal with all of it. Just like I dealt with the bigger problem.
Mommy, what problem you talking about?
As a child, it's not everything you're supposed to know, and it's not everything we're going to tell you. But all of the problems them you create, I got rid of one. And that thing in your belly will be another. I won't have that dirty family.
Mommy, you really telling me to touch my baby? Aren't you a Christian woman? How can you say that? I don't want to touch this baby.
Talk whatever you want to talk, say. You're not the one making the decisions anymore. I got some links, and me and you will be leaving this country for good. And I'm happy. And how can I be a woman of God when I was married to a man of God for years and didn't know I was sleeping next to the devil? I don't care anymore about anything. I just want to leave Jamaica.
Where are we gonna go then, Mommy?
Somewhere in the States. Hopefully, very soon. I can't wait to leave this place. All these bad memories. I just want them to be over with. Me and you can start a new life. And you can find an appropriate husband. Not like your father. Not like that dirty daddy. And not like Sean. You need to live a nice life. And that's what I'm going to get for you. Unlike the one that I got for myself.
When you're done, forward upstairs, come clean off my rifle.
Anthony, I wanted to talk to you about something. I don't want you to get vexed with me. I'm sorry, Anthony. I just want to know if you really love me like you say you do.
Of course, man, love you. But it's just true. About the things on my mind, woman I really want to talk about. My wife understands that sometimes man need him one space.
But that's why I'm here to talk for you, to you, and I just want me to come on good page, you know? We can discuss everything we are go through with each other. Because I really love you, Anthony. It means so much to me.
I love you too, Aliyah, you know that.
Anything good special you want for dinner tonight? I was thinking curry chicken or oxtail, curry goat. It's up to you though.
Yeah? Oh, you alright? Alright, me come page you. Okay. Alright, soon forward. Alright. Alright, me hear you, man. Okay. Just got for no say alright. Alright? Alright. Later. Okay, okay, alright. Okay, bye. Oh yeah, pick where you want, alright? So come back. You know, I have some things to do upon the road. I meet up with one of my brethren them. Long time I don't see him, just fall from foreign.
Coming, I'm coming. Sean, hold on. What you do here? You alright? What wrong with you, Sean? Why you look so?
I mean, freak up real bad.
What you talking about, you frigo? What you do?
I don't even know what to say.
Do you fear, Sean? Just tell me. What going on with you? How's everything? Why are you so upset?
Sure left me with me. She find out some real one in a girl. And she pregnant too. But she not answer the phone. You can't reach her.
Sean, you really breathe too, girl. How can you do something like that?
So I stay woman. I never mean for do it. I really miss Sherry. But she not answer my calling. Nothing. I can't hear from her at all. That get to me. Not in the line now. I just can't deal with this no more, mommy.
Sean, I think you should come live with us.
I don't know. It's just a good idea.
You're gonna need the support, Sean. Especially like how you have two picnic on the way.
You sure we can go alright with that?
Of course it won't be, Sean. We're family.
Thanks, mommy. Really need a talk, you know?
Come help me with your brother then, please. Don't worry, Sean. We'll get through this. Alright? As a family.
Thank you, mommy. TV. You change back here. Change back your hair color.
Anthony, I have to talk to you about something.
Oh, what? First of all, which part you did there? Your man that worry about you, you know?
You'd have to take care of some things, that's why I never really that hear from me. Anthony, I want you to do me a favor, and may I beg you.
Anything, man, just say the word.
Please take care of Diana for me.
What you mean? Take care of Diana for you. You're not gonna do so. I take care with me.
May I leave Jamaica when I come back?
We are talk we are leave Jamaica and now come back. A joke you make?
It's not a joke, Anthony. It's best if me leave. It's better for all of us. But I just want you to take care of Diana for me, alright? Please. I know I haven't been the best mother or the best friend to you, but so just one thing I want you to do for me. Just watch over her and protect her. Alright? Please do that for me, Anthony. I can't really get no detail about what I go on. Can't tell you. But I'm gonna miss you. I'm really gonna miss you, Anthony.
Stephen, I love you so much.
Love you too, Anthony. You gonna cry? Don't cry, alright? This is better for all of you if I leave. Because I love you, I have to leave. okay?
Why you can't? Why you just can't tell me what I want? You know, if anything, they may protect you, protect all I wanna.
You're not Superman, Anthony. You can't always protect me. But me gonna be alright, okay? Can't stay any longer, me have to leave. Alright?
You can't just tell me where I go. I'm not gonna tell nobody.
Knowing you would have pack up everything and come find which palm me dey. So it's best you don't know which palm me I go, okay? I'm gonna be alright though. Later, Anthony.
Food smell good earlier.
Yeah, well, what dessert later on?
Easy now. Swear.
I'm gonna share it some for you, alright? Be right back.